All right, guys, I have just came back from my local gun shop. I've picked up my new rifle for this hunting season. We've partnered with Rain Ordnance. You need to check them out. Made in the USA, and they've got multiple calibers and AR. They've got bolt action rifles. You name it, they've got it. Check them out at Rain Ordnance. Now let me show you my gun. Check this baby out. It's .308 caliber, and I cannot wait to be hunting some deer, some big old bucks, some wild hogs, bear, you name it. This gun's gonna be in my hand this year. So check them out at Rain Ordnance, made in the USA.